In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a MoneyGram account. By the end, you'll be fully set up and ready to send or receive money with confidence. First, make sure you're using a secure internet connection, then download the official MoneyGram app from your device's app store. Look for the verified publisher to avoid fake versions. Once the installation finishes, open the app to get started. You may see a prompt asking to enable notifications. Allowing notifications is helpful for real-time updates on transfers, security alerts, and promotions. If you prefer fewer interruptions, you can deny this for now and change it later in your device or app settings. Next, select your primary country of residence and tap Continue. Choosing the correct country is important because it affects identity verification, available services, and legal requirements. Pick the country where you actually live and pay taxes to avoid issues later. Now, tap Sign Up or create a new profile. If you've used MoneyGram before on another device, you can sign in instead, otherwise continue with the new profile option. Enter your account details, your email address, a strong password, and your mobile number. Use an email you can access easily and a phone number that can receive texts or calls, as you may need them for security checks. For your password, choose something unique and hard to guess. When you're ready, tap, agree, and continue to accept the terms and move on. You'll be offered the option to enable fingerprint or face authentication. This is a quick way to secure your account and speed up sign-ins. If you're not comfortable with biometrics, select No Thanks. You can always enable it later in your settings. Now add your personal information, including your first and last name, middle name if you have one, your current residential address, and your date of birth. Enter these details exactly as they appear on your official identification to prevent delays. When everything looks accurate, tap Continue. You'll be asked if you want to join MoneyGram Plus rewards. If you send frequently, enrolling can unlock discounts and perks. If you're just exploring, select Not Right Now. You can enroll later from your profile. Finally, review the welcome information and tap Get Started. Your MoneyGram account is now created. You can begin exploring the app, and when you're ready to send or receive money, follow the on-screen prompts. Depending on your region and transaction size, you may be asked for additional verification during your first transfer. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more MoneyGram tips and tutorials.